Aji HIV laga opor awareness dibole nimide state red run koigina event ekta luishe. Kundu National AIDS Control Organization pra organize kurishe. Special guest Health and Family Welfare laga Additional Secretary S Tainu pra participants khange kuishe. Taikan yede part lua pra taikan khali pula hin hoigina bishi special purpose karne part loyasi. Tai pra participants khange change animole koshish kurbi koigina encourage kuri dishe. Itu red run te male category de Jaluki laga St. Xavier College pra Witangbo and Chewang first prize jitishe aro Public College Dimapur laga Nagalong T Tikhir pra second prize jitishe. Mikey Khan laga category de Noklak laga Holy Angel School pra Tongkem K pra first place jitishe aro Noklak Government Higher Secondary School laga Monu C pra second place paishe. Agide NSACS laga project director Dr. Ahu Sekhose pra program ke chair kuri dishe.
Yes, Additional Secretary at Department of Health and Family Welfare. Before we request Madam to come and give the prizes for the competition category, I would like to request one of our NSAC staff to come and acknowledge Madam with a small token. The first prize goes to Mr. Witangbo N. Chewang.
The second prize winner last year also.
I'd like to thank the organizers. Led by PD Insects and his team of officers, and the participants also for having me this morning in your midst. This last year also I was a part of this red run, and this time also you all have given me this chance, so I'm happy to be with you in your midst this morning. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the participants, the winners as well as the participants of this red run event. You have run for a special purpose because your participation means a lot. Because this red run is not only for fitness or just for the sake of participation, but you have been here and part of this beautiful, very special event that is creating awareness on the negative impact of HIV as well as the prevention aspect of HIV in our state as well as for the country. This Red Run has been organized by the National AIDS Control Organization since last year, and this Red Run event has proved to be an effective means of creating awareness because many youth have been participated, and last year also many people have, and the youth, they have participated, and this year also you all are participating, and this has creating awareness and it's a source of hope for every one of us. So I would like to request all the young ones, you are energetic, you are in good health now, so when you are young, try to do something good for yourself, for the society, as well as for our state. Because we are not going to live forever. We are not going to live, the second time. We are going to live only once. So when you are young, when you are in good health, try to do something and try to be a change and try to bring changes in every aspect of our life. Because the spreading of HIV, we all know, it is being spread through uncontrolled lifestyle, then infected, syringe or the use of infected, from infected mother to a child, infected blood to a blood product. So we should all try to create that awareness and bring together people so that we can work together and to create a better world. Because one person cannot do anything, one organization we cannot, but together we can do something and bring out some changes in our life. So I won't be speaking too long because we all know what is the negative impact of HIV. because it is impact and it has negative impact on personal life as well as a family as well as a society, that we all know. So let's continue to inspire others. Let's continue to create awareness and do something for all of us to have a healthier world. So I would like to encourage all the young ones, all the participants. Today, of course, we have the winner, only second and third, but I mean first and second. But you all have participated. Like I said, it is for a special cause. This is with a special purpose. So remember this Red Run event of 2024 and try to do your best, give out the best, and do the best in your life. So I would like to wish each and every one of you, the winners as well as the participants, the very best in your life. And let's hope and pray that through your participation, through your active, part in creating this awareness, will have a better world or a peaceful world. Thank you.